If you are a fan of the V-Stroms, I'm taking out the 2020 V-Strom 650 XT and also the new 1050 XT. I'm taking them both out back to back next week on Thursday. So I'll be bringing a video of that and comparing the two, because I'm thinking about getting one of those for a tourer. And I just want to see how the new 1050 V-Strom XT is compared to my old 1000. I'm pretty much expecting the 650 to be almost exactly the same as the 650 I had last year. But I just want to see whether the new one is worth the money, or whether it's better off getting a 650 or whatever. So if you're trying to choose between those two bikes at the moment, then you might want to subscribe and hit the notifications bell, because within the next week or so I'll be riding them back to back, and then I'll be putting a video up so you can have a good look and see what you think, see whether that new 1050, which I like the style of, see whether it's going to be worth the money. I think it's £11,299, whereas the 650s are around about 8 grand. And you can pick up the old 1000 models now, the 2019 1000 models. You can pick them up for about £8,000 or £9,000. I think about £8,000 now in the UK, so they're a good bargain. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm just going to test out this Insta 360 1X camera again. I've got it mounted on the mirror and it's bouncing about again. This mount, it's not great, but we'll see how it looks anyway. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, hit the notifications bell, and then when that new video comes out, you'll be notified and then you can check it out. Okay, cheers guys, let's enjoy the rest of the ride. Which way shall I go? Stay there, pheasant. Look at that beautiful pheasant. We'll go this way today. Nice CRF 250 Rally, I like them. Great fun bike to take out. A little bit underpowered probably, but still fun. handling on this bike is absolutely superb.